to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and my order from Pretty Neat Creative has turned up. So let's get in this bag wrapped around a tube. Now this company is not one of the cheapest. Compared to a lot of orders I've had, I wouldn't say that their pricing made me go wow. However, they do claim to be better quality, so that's what I thought I would test out. So it does come in a tube. It says, in the days when we were children, everyone was taught to create things by hand. We believe that nothing is as unique, personal or well received as something that has been lovingly handmade. That's why we share a love for diamond painting, which thrills and inspires us every day. That's quite nice. So we do have sort of 6 steps. It tells you unboxing. So the package includes our colour-coded canvas, tools and gorgeous beads. Check your beads. Shows you how to store your beads or different options you can use. Using the wax, sticking the beads and hanging when it's finished. So let's get into this and have a look at what the picture turns out like. Now I think when I ordered this picture, I think I did order the smallest size that they did it in, because I wanted to test, partly the image was a little bit different, but I also wanted to test whether they only provided images in sizes that still looked good. So that's just a little coupon code off my next order, but it was a little bit bent at the top, but it does seem as though it is poured glue, so I don't think that is going to cause too much of a problem. It has a very nice velvety canvas, so think Diamond Art Club and Timney Arts, with the soft velvet back. So that's nice, and it comes wrapped around the diamonds, and then we do get a toolkit. So it says it should have tweezers, a double-headed pen, a pen grip, a tray and a glue pad. So let's see. So we have the pen grip. Sorry, just had a visitor. So we do have a pen grip. What else do we have? So we do have some tweezers. They are the nice black tweezers. Very pointy. What else do we have? I'm trying to work out, it's got a funny plastic smell. Something in this, but okay, so we do have a small wide boat, and this is smaller than the standard white boat, so it is a tiny boat. We do have a plate of wax, and then we have a clear glitter pen with a single placer on one end and a 4 placer on the other end. So that is their toolkit. I'm not sure if I can get it to go back in. Oh, there we go. Okay, it's back in. So let's have a look at the canvas. The tube and everything's very nice. The canvas looks as though it is nice quality. But let's see what the actual design and the diamonds look like. I say it is like a soft backed canvas, and it does look to be poured glue. So this is the image that I got. So I did get it in the smallest one. As soon as I've seen the sizing, it's a 30 by 30 that I chose. I think the image is going to turn out okay. I don't know how well you're going to be able to see everything, but say I did pick the smallest one, and I think I still spent over £20 on a 30 by 30, which is not cheap, but sometimes it's worth it. So I'm just peeling back the plastic, which actually even the plastic on this feels thicker than you get on other paintings. It has 28 colours, and we do get DMC colours for them. And the symbols, they're a mixture of letters and numbers, but they do all look clear. Let me zoom you in. This is where you can see that the image isn't quite as clear when you zoom in, but the symbols themselves do look pretty clear. Doesn't look like I'm going to have a problem. It is confetti, but I would expect that from the image. We are going to have a lot of 310. I did also expect that due to the image, but I thought I needed at least one painting to mark our current worldly predicament, should we say. So let's have a look at the rest. So it does come with an inventory sheet which has the symbols and then has the DMC numbers. So depending on what I kit this up in will depend on how I work this out. I may just kit it up by symbols and work out the numbers off the chart when it comes to dekitting. I will have to see. But it gives you the DMC number, it tells you the weight and the quantity, but they are in bags. So it's obviously done by the weight. Now it does highlight on here, because we've got the DMC numbers are highlighted so that you can see them. It does say 2 for black, so it does make me wonder if I have 2 bags of black. I'm not sure what these two are in relation to. They do have what I'm guessing is Chinese at the top, though I could be wrong, but the numbers don't match up, so I'm not sure what that is. So let's have a look at the diamonds themselves. I'm kind of hoping that this will be a little bit of a treat to work on. Okay, so we do end up with 2 bags of 310, which is number 3. I'm seeing little bits of trash in the bag, but not big bits. So we can see there's little flecks and stuff in there. But with black, you can often get, it doesn't look loads. The diamonds themselves look really nice. So I did order square, so it will be quite interesting to see how these sit together. And then all the rest are in baggies and they just have the number on. But these are the sorts of colours. So we've got some greys, yellows, reds, you know, and they're done by weight, so of course the yellow is different to the black. So time will tell if we have all the colours that we need. Ooh, that's a vivid green, isn't it? That's nice. So yeah, inventory on this one is just a matter of checking that we have all 28. So 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 22, 21. That was 20. Then where did I move them from then? 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So we have all the numbers that we need from 1 to 28, which means they've sent us all the diamonds. Because they are done by weight, we do need to, you know, take that leap of faith that the weight that we're supposed to have, they do have. though they do say, this company do say that they will put anything right if something is wrong, so we'll see. But from a distance, I think you're going to be able to make out what that is. It will be nice to test out this square on poured glue. The only other square I've done at the time of unboxing this on poured glue is Diamond Art Club. We'll definitely be able to test out the black as well. And their glue does seem to go pretty much to the edge. There's not a lot of overhang of the poured glue. There's a little bit more at the top, but you're talking a millimetre. There's not a lot in general at all. And has this one got the image on there is tiny. So that's the actual image as a print, just so that you can see all the bits on there, and that's the image when you look at it at the minute with just symbols. So I think we're going to be able to make out what that is. I hope so, because it costs enough. But yeah, I'm happy with the quality. Whether it's a company that I will order from lots will depend. They were extremely slow in even shipping it out. Now, I know we have had the coronavirus, and that has caused problems for some companies. This one seemed to be affected a lot more than many others are, but for that reason alone, I may order from them again in the future when things have got back to normal, just to check whether, you know, the service is better. But I'm happy with the fact that the canvas is like a velvety canvas. That feels nice. It instills in me confidence that it's going to be a nice square to work on. But as I say, time will tell. I do like the packaging. I do wonder how much I pay for a proper tube compared to what I pay in the actual products. But as I say, time will tell. I'm sure this will be one that I will do soon, if nothing else, to get a lot of the black out the way. But thank you so much for joining me, and I'll speak to you all again soon.